Hello? Oh, hello everyone. Today's a very special day. Why, you may ask? It's the 25th anniversary of Windows 95. So today we're doing a special installation of the release to manufacturer release of Windows 95. So let's F-disk. Now I had some failed attempts, so we're going to yes. Now we can Vice on reset. Alright, here we go. Starting with 95. This is amazing. Oh, hold on. Alright. Now, format C. Now we choose our disk file. We're not going to be using Windows 2000. We're going to be using Windows 95, of course. Pretty sure it's R. There we go. Welcome to Windows 95 setup. Thank you. Congratulations on your choice of Windows 95. The newest and easiest way to do what you want to do with your PC. Why, thank you, Windows. That's very nice of you. Setup will take approximately Setup will take from 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. To begin setup, click Continue. Aw, that's so sweet. I'll click Continue for you. Setup will now Alright, guys. Time for the most boring... Wait, there's a time limit? Aw, crap. This has to be a fast install. See Windows. Custom. Aw, crud, I need that. Where is it? Windows 95. Dang it. This is taking up valuable time. Yes. OEM information. Quickly. 24796. Wait. 24796 dash OEM. No wait. OEM 0014736 dash 66386. Name Just do everything. Oh no, we're getting really close to the time limit. Come on, Windows. I get it, the virtual machine. Come on, please. Run faster. I don't want to make this a two-parter and have a stupid watermark because I have to use an editor to combine the two videos. Oh no, 5 minutes. 3%. Please don't say it's hung. Oh, it's not hung. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, you're so close. Don't give up. Ah! Oh no, we only have 9 minutes. Come on, Windows. Don't fail now. Come on. You got this? Yes. We're installing these components. No communications. Accessories. Desktop. Games. No, I don't want to start up disk. Preparing to copy files. Oh my goodness, it's blazing. This would usually take so long with regular floppy disks. Not physical ones, of course. But that would be interesting. If I could get my hands on a physical copy of Windows 95, I could install it on my old compact. Finish! Just detected a disk in my floppy. Remove the CD. Okay. Starting Windows 95. Oh crap! I'm gonna need... Quickly... Wait, there it is! Control delete. Alright. Move the disk. Control delete. Yes! Aw, heck. There. Happy now? Ah, cripe, I gotta insert the CD-ROM. What? Is my CD damaged? Oh dear. No, try checking D. Just skip. Oh no. But it's inserted. It's check the R. This is gonna be very minimal. You know what? Okay. Drag this. Alt tab. second. This is gonna have to be two-parter. I do not care. Just cancel. If we're gonna have issues, let's at least have issues with the fact that we sort of installed Win95. Wait. Did you wanna... I don't care if it's the wrong time zone. I don't want to printer. Just boot into Windows. We did it. We did it. We did it. I'm stopping the recording now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Good day, people.